How to use HitPaw Anime Video Enhancer to upscale animes to 4K. Step 1. Upload the anime video. Launch HitPaw VicPaw and upload animes by clicking the Video Enhancer section. Step 2. Choose the animation model. Choose Animation Model, which is specially designed for anime and cartoon videos, precisely eliminating compression artifacts and enhancing quality. Step 3. Preview and export anime. Once satisfied with the effect, click the Export button to save the anime in 4K resolution.